Imagine facing a medical emergency and the first thing that comes to your mind isn't your health, but the price tag that will follow along. For millions of Americans, that isn't just a scary thought, it's an everyday reality. Whether you visited a doctor, filled a prescription, or relied on health insurance from your job, the issue of affordable healthcare affects you. And if you never had to worry about the cost of Medicare, consider yourself fortunate because millions of people are one illness or accident away from financial ruins or debt. Affordable healthcare is an essential human right, and providing broader access to it will benefit health, lower overall costs, and strengthen our society. Today, I want to show you why affordable healthcare is not only necessary but achievable. Together, we can create a future where everyone, no matter their income or background, has access to the care they deserve. Let's start by understanding the scale of the problem. Right now, over 27 million Americans live without health insurance. Many more have insurance but still struggle to afford the co-pays and out-of-pocket costs that come with the basic care. Medical debt is the leading cause of personal bankruptcy in the United States, accounting for about 66% of all cases. Imagine going broke, but not because you overspent it, but because you needed to survive. And it gets worse for those with the low income and minority communities. These groups face higher rates of untreatable illnesses, fewer healthcare options, and even shorter life expectancy. Our healthcare system as it stands today isn't just unfair, it's broken. But there are solutions. We can take real practical steps to fix this system. First, expanding Medicare and Medicaid can provide coverage for millions of uninsured and uninsured Americans, offering them a safety net in times of need. Second, passing laws that require price transparency from hospitals and drug companies will empower patients to make smarter financial choices and help drive down inflated costs. Third, fostering public-private partnerships like giving tax incentives to employers who offer coverage and introducing a public option for healthcare will help make coverage more accessible for every household regardless of income. Now imagine the world we could build together if we made these changes. Picture a country where no child dies from preventable illnesses, where no parent has to choose between paying for rent or cancer treatment, and where every person lives with the peace of mind that healthcare is always within reach. A healthier society means fewer sick days, higher productivity, and economic growth. It means that nobody is able to be shackled by medical debt or trapped in poverty because of an illness. And finally, affordable healthcare helps close the gap between the rich and poor, ensuring that quality care isn't limited to privileged few but is right shared by all, regardless of race, income, or social status. So how can you help? So what can you do? The power to make change starts with you. Support policy changes by contacting your elected offices and voting for candidates who will support healthcare reform. Your voice matters. Donate to organizations like Family USA or the National Health Law Program, groups that are fighting every day to make affordable healthcare a reality. And use your voice on social media, in your community, and in your personal conversation. The more we talk about this issue, the more likely change will come. Advocacy starts with awareness. Healthcare is not a luxury, it's a human right, and one that millions of Americans still cannot afford. Expanding healthcare coverage isn't just about treating illness, it's about dignity, equality, and securing a better future for all people, regardless of their bank account or background. The power to change the system lies in your hands. Support policies. Speak out. Imagine a world where no one has to choose between their health and financial situation. Thank you.